Hey guys, I'm Asthik Raghav and welcome to the new episode of homescreensetups. Today we're going to be setting up this dope looking wall-hey homescreen setup, and make sure you watch this video till the very end. I don't know if this video could go well or not, but with that said, let's get started. The required applications for setting up this homescreen setup is available on my Telegram channel. Do check it out. First, install the Nova launcher and then click open. Next, set dark theme and icon size to 110% and its shape to round. And at the bottom, you'll find the OK button. Click that. Then a launcher will close, reopen it and go to the settings and set it as the default launcher. Now what about the wallpaper? It's available on my Telegram channel. Just click that image and save to gallery and set it as the wallpaper. Now install these 3 apps from Telegram. These are the icon pack, widget and custom widget applications. Now you have to just long press on the home screen and go to the settings. Then go to the look and feel section and go to the icon theme. Then set the icon theme to line X and go down. You have the reshape legacy icons. Just set it as off. Now remove some apps that interfere your wallpaper. Then long press on the home screen, go to the widget section and go to the KWGT section. Then take the 1x1 widget and place at the top of the home screen. Then long press on it and go to the resize option and set it somewhat like this. Then tap on the widget and select Titan KWGT. Then search for ZR1. Then follow as I do. So that's it for now guys. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a like and subscribe down below if you're new here. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.